Did you know that according to studies, making friends as an adult is harder than finding a date? That's right. You're statistically more likely to swipe right on a soulmate than score a new bestie. But don't worry, I've cracked the code. Stick around because today we're diving into the friendship formula, the ultimate guide to making friends as an adult. And trust me, you'll want to hear the bonus tip at the end. It's a total game changer. Have you ever walked into a party, clutched your drink like it's a security blanket, and thought, how do I even start talking to these people? Or maybe you've moved to a new city and realized, making friends is now as daunting as parallel parking in rush hour traffic. Don't worry, we're tackling it all with laughs along the way. Let's jump in. Tip number 1, the power of shared interests. Find your tribe through shared interests. Join that pottery class, book club, or intramural sports team. When you bond over something you love, conversations flow naturally. Plus, even if the friendship doesn't blossom, at least you'll leave with a cool new skill. Or a lopsided coffee mug. Tip number 2, master the art of casual persistence. Making adult friends is like watering a plant. Too much, and you're the clingy cactus killer. Too little, and the friendship wilts. Casual persistence is the key. Send a funny meme, invite them to a coffee date, or drop a quick "saw this and thought of you" text. Small efforts add up over time. Hey, if you're loving these tips so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community here at Marica in the World. New videos every week, real talk, real life, and maybe even a laugh or two. Tip number 3, embrace awkwardness. Let's be real. Friendship making moments are awkward. You might stumble over your words or accidentally wave at someone who wasn't waving at you. Own it. Humor is a great icebreaker. People love authenticity, and being a little awkward just makes you relatable. Tip number 4, volunteer your way to connections. Helping others is not just good for the soul, it's great for your social life. Volunteering puts you around like-minded, kind-hearted people who are also looking to connect. Bonus points, you'll have heartwarming stories to share. Tip number 5, be the host with the most. Organize your own low-pressure hangouts. A trivia night, potluck, or a board game session can bring people together. You're in control, so you can create the vibe that's comfortable for you. Who doesn't love a host who's generous with snacks and laughs? Okay, here's your bonus tip, the compliment connector. Compliment genuinely and often. It's a great way to start conversations and make people feel appreciated. Compliments are like friendship appetizers. They make people want to stay for the main course. So there you have it, the friendship formula. Simple, actionable tips to make meaningful connections as an adult. Which tip will you try first? Comment below and let me know. And remember, for more real-life advice, hit subscribe and turn on those notifications. Until next time, this is Marica in the World, making life a little easier, one video at a time. Please click on this next video for more real talk tips and ideas. See you in the next video.